Hello everyone! I'm AYANA, a Vtuber. Today we'll explain how to create a mask using the ROTO brush. Let's begin! Let's start! I will introduce how to use a tool called the ROTO brush from the tool panel. This makes it very easy to create a mask for an object with a specified outline. However, please be sure to keep in mind that this is not a mask, but an effect. First, place the material you want to mask with the ROTO brush on the layer. This is how it is displayed in the composition panel. ROTO brush can only be operated on the layer panel. In the timeline panel, double-click the layer for which you want to create a mask, and the layer panel will be displayed in the composition panel position. The layer panel is displayed like this. Click to select ROTO brush in the Tools panel. Now you can use the ROTO brush. Let's set up the ROTO brush before using it. You can set the brush by selecting Brush in the menu. Brush panel is displayed here. You can choose the size and shape of the brush. Let's change it to suit your preferences. This is the layer panel. Please note that it is not the composition panel. Then, I'd like to put a mask on this navy hat. Draw a part of the area you want to mask with a ROTO brush. As a tip, brushing the inside of the outline makes it easier to put on a mask. A mask has been created. The outline of the mask part is shown as a pink line. You can also add more mask areas by using the ROTO brush again. The mask area has widened. Press this button at the bottom of the layer panel to display the alpha channel of the layer. In this way, you can see that only the part inside the mask is displayed alpha channel. Finally, return to the composition panel. This time, only the inside of the mask is shown. When you look at the timeline panel instead of the mask, the effect is added, and when you look at the effects control panel, the item ROTO brush and refine edge is added. You can change the value of the property here. This concludes my explanation on how to create a mask with ROTO brush. How is everyone doing? Did you understand today's lecture? If you found today's lecture useful, please subscribe. If you have any requests, please let us know in the comments below. See you again for the next lecture. See you soon. Bye-bye.